First thing I want to definitely address is that this is going to be a new weekly video that I'm kind of come up with that just educates people in my natural market. And what I mean by that is my age, or people that I hang out with that have a lot of questions, and I just want to update everybody on that as well. Because these are some things that just weren't told to me, and I'm really glad that I was educated and have the opportunity to be in this type of business now, and it's really nice to be surrounded by these people that know all this. So I thought I would transfer some of that education to you all in a short little video every Friday. And the nice thing is it's casual Friday, so I don't have to be up here in a suit and tie, sweating my butt off all the time. I can just be a friend to you guys and telling you, hey, look into this, take some precautions and things like that. But today's topic is renter's insurance, okay? What I want you guys to know about renter's insurance is that here in Kansas, it's not necessarily required. And a lot of people don't really know a whole lot about what it is. I didn't know about what it was until I was down in Texas, where my apartment actually required renter's insurance. I thought, okay, because I'm staying here, I have to have insurance. I was confused. I had no idea what was going on. So basically what renter's insurance is it is insurance for your apartment, okay, or townhome, or whatever you are renting. Even a house. If you rent a house, you can get it as well. Specifically, what it will cover is the contents inside of your home, okay? That being said, if you have an apartment over here in Overland Park and the whole thing just straight up burns to the ground, all your stuff in there, not insured, it's gone. How awful would that be? This is a way very inexpensively to cover everything inside of your home that may be of value to you, okay? It's very similar to homeowner's insurance, okay, but just a little different as far as what it covers, and it doesn't cover the property, but it covers the stuff inside your home, yada yada. We can get in that if you guys have more questions about homeowner's insurance. But first thing I want to tell you is there's some perks to having renter's insurance as well. And I want to give you a little story of what just recently happened to one of my friends. One thing I want you guys to realize that, let's say you're going to school and you're renting an apartment over there in Lawrence, Kansas, okay, and your apartment is $400, $500 a month. You don't want to pay, an extra couple $100 a month just to have insurance on your renter or on your apartment. But here's the thing: renter's insurance, it covers like $20,000 of personal property for like $160 a year. That's nothing. Just to ensure that if that stuff gets stolen, if that place burns down, it is covered for you. How awesome is that? Another thing that a lot of people don't realize is that, let's say you're out at school, okay? You park out in the parking lot and you leave your laptop out in the car. You are renting an apartment. You are not living with your family at home. Your laptop gets stolen out of the back seat of your car. Now, on a homeowner's insurance, when you're at home with your parents, that laptop's covered. Their homeowner's insurance will buy you a new laptop. Now, you're renting an apartment, don't have renter's insurance, you have insurance on your vehicle, but guess what? Your insurance on your vehicle doesn't cover what's stolen out of the back of your car. That's why homeowner's insurance is awesome, and that's why a lot of us that are out there on our own, which is a fantastic thing, are not educated and don't know about renter's insurance and what it can offer. I just had a buddy just a few days ago, that's why I'm making this video, come to me and he said, hey, I have insurance with you guys on my vehicle. Some boots and a bag of mine that's worth like $2,000 got stolen out of the back of my car. Do I call my car insurance? What do I do? I said, well, where do you live right now? Well, I have an apartment over there in Lisa, Missouri. Okay, great. So you have renter's insurance, right? What's renter's insurance? So in this case with that guy, he got really frustrated because those contents in his car are not covered. And guess what that means? He doesn't get anything. He's screwed. So what I want to make sure is to educate people my age who are out there on their own, renting, staying out there away from their parents, or if they have their own home, make sure you guys have that coverage, okay? I don't want to see anybody come back to me and they're going to school and they have a $2,000 Mac laptop and it gets stolen out of the back of their car and they have no way to replace it. Make sure you guys are covered. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to educate you guys. A lot of insurance companies out there today just worry about the money that they're bringing in. So you give them a call and, okay, well, let's make these changes to your coverage. Awesome, all right, see ya. well, what is exactly what's my coverage covering me? Nobody's going to take the time to talk to you like, or to stop and talk to you like that. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm going to do. I have a good amount of knowledge, and I'm still being educated and still going to these classes to learn about every little thing of insurance. That way I can help people get covered. And nothing would bring more light to my eyes that says, hey, that guy called me back, the stuff got stolen out of the back of his car, but he was not worried because he called his renter's insurance company and they wrote him a check and they figured it all out, and he's got his brand new laptop back and he's just ready to go back to school and finish up education. That's going to be awesome, and I want to make sure that all of you have that opportunity as well. Stay tuned for next week's video. Thanks.